Here's my truck. It's been a modified pickup truck. Took out the gas engine, put in all these batteries, stuck in this boy, and it's a good truck. It gets me everywhere so far. I've got to license it and make it street legal, but it's getting there. Let's take it for a spin here. Second gear. That little line is the controller. And it has this constant acceleration, just this constant whoosh feeling. So far so good. And the interior of the cab has a little bit of I can hear transmission noise, but you don't hear the engine. And with the windows rolled down, you hear everything else more than you hear the engine. I like it. If I can make it all the way around, I can't. I guess that noise would be good to keep small children and let them know that I'm moving. Although with the truck not making any noise, I would like to download some sounds. You could put any noise in you wanted. You could have some Star Wars pod racer noise. Cruising down the street. And no need to take it out of gear, because once you stop, the motor stops. It's still in second gear. It doesn't care though. You just keep going. Cool, I love it.
Very quiet.
I think I'll take it.